I want to show you how Trevor's crawling now. Trevor, come here. Hey, buddy. Yeah. Here you come. You can do it. Come on in. Are you getting tired? Here you come. Yeah, look at you go. You're moving. It's hard to change from the wood to the carpet, isn't it? Oh, there comes Cosmo. Coming to check on you. Here you come. Yeah. Dada? Daddy? Daddy. I was getting a video of him crawling around. He is. Just in the last 2 days, he's really improved a lot. Now he's coming onto my lap. Oh, he's attacking me. Da. Da.
Hey.
Go to Dad.
Dad.
Where is Dad?
Trevor.
Oh, he's going to the plant. Yeah, he keeps getting into that dirt. I don't know what we're going to do about that.
Trevor.
Okay, say bye-bye, Trevor. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye? You coming over to me? Bye-bye.